Hello friends, the new year is round the corner and we all must be ready with our resolutions. I hope you all have done the list of your resolutions that you are going to put. But there is something you need to know before taking the resolution so that you continue it in the whole of next year. Just writing down a resolution, reading it again and again, making a vision board of your resolution doesn't solve the issue or doesn't make you grow. There is something that is required beyond this, and in this short video, I am going to discuss that with you. Let me give a brief introduction of myself. This is Dr. Ashish Nagar, and I am a YouTuber and an NLP transformation and wellness coach. And I work with coaches and help them in create their mindset and their outline of their businesses. I even work with people with stress, anxiety, and depression, and I am definitely an NLP coach and a tutor. So let's move with this short introduction to today's video. What is important before making the resolutions? What is the reason that you are making the resolutions? Whatever resolutions you have written down that I will be doing this for my 2022 to change, and I'll be doing this so that I do not repeat the mistakes or I do not repeat the shortcomings that I have faced till 2021. You have made a list, but you have to ask 3 questions to yourself before you put the resolution in the final list, because this is going to decide that whether you are going to continue with the resolution or not. First things first, with all the resolutions, you must ask the first question. Take one resolution and ask this first question: what will happen if I complete or if I keep this resolution for the whole of 2022? How is it going to change me or my results in 2023 and the forthcoming years? This is the first question you have to ask. Sit down with yourself, answer this question elaborately. Take a pen and paper, write down the resolution, write down the question: what is going to change if I continue with this resolution in 2022? What is going to change in 2023, 24, 25, and so on? That means, how is it going to create an impact on my future life? This is the first question you must answer about the resolutions that you have already got in your list. The second thing you have to keep in mind is, what are the benefits if I continue with this resolution? How is it going to change my life, the way I look, the way I earn, the way my relationships are, the way my career is, the way my mental health is, the way my physical health is, and whatsoever is your resolution? Ask a question in all these aspects, that how keeping this resolution is going to change me and what will be the benefits of this resolution on my physical health, on my mental health, on my career, on my financial status, on my relationships, on my personality, right? Ask this question for each and every resolution. Write down the benefits. Please write down the benefits. The third thing that you have to do is, you have to ask, what if I break this resolution? What will not change, and how this change that I was willing to bring in my life but I could not, how this particular change is going to affect or negatively affect my future life in 2023, 2024, and so on. If you just take this small audit about your resolutions, you will be better able to make true resolutions for 2022, and you will not only make them but you will even keep them. And finally, if you are through with this list, one more finishing touch that you should give to it: sit down in one place, put on some good music, preferably instrumental, right? And just close your eyes, read your resolution, close your eyes, repeat it in your mind, visualize. When I say visualize, see the pictures, create the pictures of how your life will change and what benefits it will have if you finish or if you complete or if you follow your resolution. And make another picture on one more screen, that what will not change and how your life can be if you don't change with this resolution, or if you don't go on with this resolution, how your life would be. Keep these both pictures in side to side screen. See both the pictures. Whether you feel the picture of completing, moving, remaining dedicated on your resolution with passion and perseverance, that is, with grit, how is it going to change your life and your future? And if you don't do that, if you drop it down, then how your life is going to be if it doesn't change depending on this resolution. Use this tip. Try to find out, take out the list of your resolutions, try to find out what is actually important for you, because if it is important for you, you will not try to keep the resolution, you will keep the resolution. And if you keep the resolution, and if you make a choice that yes, I am going to do this, come what may, come what may, if you take this resolution, if you decide with passion and perseverance that I am going to do this, whatever might be the consequence, and if you make a choice of keeping the resolution, you will get a positive consequence. And this consequence, as you have already had in your mind the benefits of the consequence, you will start receiving the benefits. Thereby, it is going to give you a long lasting change in your life when compared to just writing down something on a piece of paper, decorating it, posting it on your vision board, posting it on your desk so that you can read it again and again, see it again and again. But if you do not create the compulsion by the benefits that you are going to get with this resolution, this will only be a piece of paper and it will only last for not more than 1 month. So, if you are really concerned of changing your life with the resolutions you are making, try to ask these 3 questions and try to visualize the benefits of the resolution, the new resolution, and how it is going to affect you, your life, and all the quadrants of your life. I hope you will do this today and decide your resolutions tomorrow, that is on 31st. And I wish you all the best for your future life, and your future life, that one which you desire to make and you desire to live. So this was the last message from me, that before making resolutions, go through these things that I have said you and decide whether it is important for you. If it is important, you will make all the efforts to stay on it and complete that resolution, and it will give you benefits also. If it is not important, just drop it down today itself. So it should not be influenced by the external factors or the external inputs that you should take this resolution, but that resolution should be from inside you, that I want to take this resolution because I want to change my life in the next year and all the following years till I am alive. So make your resolutions wisely and with your emotions to achieve it. Hope you have a very good, very effective, very productive 2022. Happy New Year. Take care. Bye bye.